Children, do you know the name of the place we live in? Yes, we live in Delhi. Is Delhi a village or a city? Correct, it is a city. There is one common thing that all the children living in cities like to do. Can you guess what they like to do? Going to the park. Yes, children in cities love to go to the parks. Do you know why? Right, to play, run around and have fun. They also go to the park to see birds, animals, flowers, etc. Have you ever gone to the park in the morning? Have you observed the different sounds in the morning? Can you name a few? Absolutely correct. Chirping of birds, buzzing of bees, sounds of animals, the breeze, etc. Have you ever wondered how amazing it would be to be like a bird? Yes, I am sure you have. Let me ask you an interesting question, children. You all must have heard the birds chirp. Have you ever wondered what they must be talking about? Do you think they would be talking about humans? Let's read the poem Bird Talk, written by Ellen Fisher, and get the answer to the above question. This poem is basically a conversation between two birds sitting in a garden wherein they are discussing how they differ from human beings. Shall we read the poem, children? Bird Talk. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. So children, robin and jay are two types of birds. They are sitting in a garden and talking about humans. They say that they are proud of the fact that birds have feathers and humans don't have. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Children, do you know what birds feed on? Yes, they eat grains and insects like beetles. So, here the birds are saying that humans don't eat beetles and neither they have wings to fly. They say that birds also like sitting on wires, which humans cannot do. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? The birds find it funny that humans cannot do things that birds can do. They feel that they enjoy more freedom than humans as they can fly with their wings to any place they want to. They can fly high up and enjoy the beautiful blue sky. Come, let us all sing this poem together. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Let's learn some new words. Robin, sitting, garden, talking, about, feathers, beetles, wings, wires, people, funny. Thank you, children.